Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Chime application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Chime application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the sign up and login button. Tap on the sign up button to create your new account and just complete the CAPTCHA verification. You will then be asked to enter your first and your last name, so go ahead and enter it within the given box. Then underneath, enter your email address and then click on the next button. Then just enter your date of birth. And after proceeding forward, you will be asked to enter your phone number. Just type in your phone number within the given box and then click on the next button. You will then receive a text message with your verification code within your phone number. Just enter this code within the next screen, and you may also be asked to check your inbox for another verification code. So check the email address that you just used, and after entering the verification code and completing the sign up process, you will be taken into your new account that you have just created on Chime. After this, you can fill up the rest of your personal information to start building up your credit right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Chime application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.